Hello everyone, today we are talking about this sponsored product. This is all-in-one, lots of feature inside, and so far we really love it, and especially the air fryer mode is the best. Let me quickly show you guys inside. As soon as you open the lid, it will open up the light and you can see it is nice large area. And the shelves can easily be removed. You just solve this that it comes with this basket. It is really useful. We put some baking cooking paper underneath, and we just put the potato and other stuff here cook it and that works really well. As you can see, the bottom part also can be removed. Just solve here, and it come with lots of trays. I don't know where I've put it right now, but and this is, you can see it is very large, like almost entire, like my hand can fit inside and doesn't even hit the ceiling. So this is of that perspective, and the operation of it extremely easy. As soon as you press the button, you see right now it's off. It is really cool. You wouldn't think that there is a screen behind it, but once you press this, you will see this. It lights up, and you can see. And right now it's on the air fry mode, so you can change this. When you press the function button here, it will go up and down, whatever options. If you press the down one, the minus button here, it will go down, and if you keep going up, it can also like continuously go up, and you don't have to just press one, whatever. So that's how it works, and you can set the timer here. You can say you can put up to 59 seconds, I believe. That's what, yes, you can see it's like up to 59 seconds you can put it. And whenever you're ready, you can press the start button, or let's say you change this temperature, you would press the temperature button here. It will just go up to 450 Fahrenheit. And you can see, you can change the level here. You can go, like, it has different cooking level. So it comes with a book. You can refer to the book and go through what options work best for specific food you might place in. You have it in the book. So once you're ready, you set the temperature, you hit the start button, and you can see, and it just started. If you want the light on, you can press the light, and it will keep the light on. If you don't want it, even the same press, and it will disappear. So it heats up really well, cooks really evenly, and cooks evenly, and you can feel this almost the same taste as let's say you made French fries. It tastes like the one you did with the oil. I feel the same. Even like you can put some fries, maybe drips of oil, depending on of your choice, but we don't do that. We just put the baking paper here, put the fries on it, and start in the air fryer more than it cooks really well, and it's crispy. We really love it. As you can see, it's not really that big on as a side. I just with around to show you guys that I'm one of them hide push it pulled way, so it doesn't like you can see here just a little bit on the corner. I just did a little bit room, and you can see it just blends really well. Doesn't take, for me, it's really good. It doesn't take much of space. So it works really well for us and we are really happy with it so far. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching.